snow going on. Can't find my jacket anywhere, so you know, 2 hoodies. And we got a little Missy with us. And right now we are teaching him he missed the spot.
I know. Well, when I tried to push the entire thing, it's hard.
I'll push it up the hill. All right, back on. Notice that thing. Push her up. Push it. Oh yeah. John Deere power right there. Let's go down here and we'll put the parking area, okay? Nothing like snow days. It is getting cold and I'm getting pelted with ice. But here's our next area. Since we got it last time, 1.5 to 2 inches on the ground, not a lot. We're doing this about every, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. I'll tell you what, guys, if you're wanting to get a John Deere garden tractor, go ahead and get it. That thing has been an awesome investment. And that plow, I think it only cost us about $200 to make it. I already had the plow, but you could easily build that thing for next to nothing. Whoa! When you start getting close to the edge like that, pick it up just a little bit so you don't hit the grass. Alright guys, so if you think you need the more aggressive tires, couldn't be further from the truth. I did this driveway and this driveway goes uphill with no problems, and I do all my neighbors' driveways with no issues. This storm is coming in pretty good. We're gonna go ahead, get this thing back in the house, get cleaned up. I did build an extra weight rack here, so I've got 80 pounds there, plus another was 168 pounds right there. And I can put 2 more on the back of there. This thing does awesome. I really don't need it. Really, I never find a need to have anything else with it. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna make some headway on some of these other driveways, and then I'll see y'all guys later. I'm getting a layer of ice underneath all this snow, and it's just now getting to the point that I need just a touch more weight. So We're gonna put an extra 80 on the back. Let's get back up here and try to get ahead of some of the snow. All right guys, so I made it in here. Finally found my jacket. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my gloves on, get y'all guys set up, and then we're gonna go out here, get this driveway one last time for the night, and hopefully maybe get some of this water. Look at this. Get the water out of here and wait on my wife to come home. So let's get y'all mounted up here. So broke that pin in there, but we got her fixed. Alright guys, so we're out here, day 2. As you can see, it is still snowing. But we're starting to get a little snow melt off and some ice forming underneath. But we got my driveway left and a few others, so let's go ahead, get y'all set up, and we'll knock this out real quick. 2 is officially clear. Y'all can see it looks good. Time to go get that one. And I think we're gonna have to drive up through that one and then push everything down towards the road. I think. We'll see. Come on, girl. Oh yeah. Bye guys. Thumbs up.